All right, so you're welcome, guys. This is the O3 Schools application, and of course, I want to quickly discuss how you can practice past questions. A lot of students will say, this what are the past questions on the app? Okay, I'm not seeing JAMB past questions. Okay, so firstly, number one, you should know that what you do not write JAMB exam. Okay, it is UTME you write. Okay, JAMB is a body that conducts UTME for you, so it is UTME you are writing, not JAMB. But by popular saying, okay, you say I want to write JAMB exam, so that is okay. I just want to clear the air there, right? So your past questions are right here on this practice for UTME, all right? So once you click on practice for UTME, you see what all your past questions for all your subjects there, all right? So for example, you can once you click on practice for UTME, you can select the subject you want, all right? Your first subject, let's say English accounts, for example, let's say commerce, economics. Okay, let's say that your subject, so you can work for science, can work for art, commercial management, and so on and so forth. All right, so now let's say you're choosing this four subjects, and just click on what okay. You can also choose the year. So the app is completely flexible. Okay, it's flexible and it's completely designed like that because we understand that a lot of people have what preferences, their own personal choices. Okay, so please ensure that what you set it the way you want it. Okay, so for your English, let's say you don't want 2017. Okay, let's say you want 1994. You can put it there. Okay, you can choose the number of questions. If you want 100 questions, you can set it on you can set 100 questions. If you want some particular topics, okay, you can remove some. Okay, all right, and say that these topics are the ones I want to this and structure oral forms. Okay, stress pattern. It's only what I need. Okay, you can then put on. Okay, you see how flexible it is. Then also for account, you can do the same thing. You can choose what the year you want. Okay, year 2000. Choose the number of questions you want. Then select the topics that you do not want. Select them out. Okay, it's as simple as that. Then for commerce and economics also, you can see how flexible it is. All right. Then you can then click on start. All right, so you can see questions start coming in. So all you need to do is just what? Answer. Okay, pick the answer, pick answer, go to next. Okay, go to next. Okay, this is the next button here in case you do not understand. This is the next button, all right? So you go to the next one, pick the ones you want to watch. After you have answered, okay, go to the next, all right, and go to account, all right? On this top part here, all right, you can navigate the subject. Let's say you're tired of English, self, look at question English, can they give me? Go to account, okay? Then of course, start with answering questions, all right? Answer questions. I'm just picking answers randomly, all right? So now you can see navigate to commerce, navigate to economics, any way you want it. The app is completely flexible, all right? And by the time you are done with answering all the questions, you can see where they will submit here, all right? So all you need to do after answering all the questions, you click on submit. Okay, so you'll be asked, do you really want to submit and end this exam? You say yes, so you submit. Now, you can see your performance analysis, all right? You can see the time spent trend. I don't know if you see this. This is time spent trend, okay? First of all, this is candidate results, all right? You can see the username, subject, the date you took the exam. You see, it's the app is completely detailed, all right? Then, of course, you can select what, you can see the subject, the score in English, you can see the time you spent on answering English 20 seconds, account 11 seconds, commerce 1 second. It tells you everything. Then also, apart from this, you will also be able to see what the time spent, okay, on each question. All right. So this is what the time was spent. This is the trend. Okay. This is the trend line showing what the time you spent on each question. Then also, if you go down, also you see topic, right? So in English, lessons and structure answered, lessons and structure out of 4 questions, I scored 0. Okay, as you can see, I was just picking answers randomly. Then also for lessons and structure, antonyms, 0 out of 10. 10 questions were asked of you, you scored 0. That's what it means. Then also performance, it is also what the performance analysis also shows you your performance by difficulty level. Now you were asked, according to this performance, now you were asked what, for example, we were asked 5 intermediate questions and you score 0. You were asked 9 basic questions and you score 0. Okay, all right. So that is what the analysis will show you. Okay, so let's say for example you want correction. All right. If you want correction for this test you have taken, all right, then all you need to do is to go to what? Go to the app, go back to the app interface, and then select result history. Okay. So once you go to result history, you're going to see the test. This is the test you just took right now. This first one is the test we took just now. Okay. I've taken this before. All right. So now all you need to do is what? Is to click on it. Okay. If you click on this drop down here, click on this small drop down, as you can see it here, then you see details, correction, delete. Okay, you can delete that test from your history. All right, so you can see correction. Okay, so correction will show you the question that you missed. All right, the one you got, the answer. All right, and everything will be given to you on the application. So you cannot have this app and fail. I'm very sure of that. Okay, a lot of people before you have used the app, they have succeeded, they are in school. Okay, they have sent their testimony. Okay, this is what we expect of you. Get your application, start using it immediately. All right, so if you have not activated your app, you'll not be able to have full access. So all you need to do is scroll to, you can see this top bar here. All right, you can see them here. So you can just come here and scroll here to this place where they say message 091215152 on WhatsApp. Okay, then just click on it. Okay, once you click on it, it will take you directly to WhatsApp. All right, then you can send a message and say you want to activate your app, and all the details of activation will be sent to you. I wish you all the best. Make the best of the application and succeed. See you in the next one.